welcome to IUC Institute. Welcome back in our online classes. Hi, this is Dharti Modi, Assistant Teacher of IUC Institute. Today I have Mr. Mitul Mistry. He is teenager. He has come here to give his interview in IUC Institute. So let's start his interview. So Mitul, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking me this. So, how are you?
I am also fine. So first, tell me something about yourself.
I am. Hi, this is Mitul. Today, I want to give you my short introduction. This is Mitul. I am 14 years old. My father name is Darshan Bhai. My mother name is Nehal Ben. My father is civil engineer. My mother is housewife. My short-term goal is to complete English speaking course, which I have completed successfully. And my long-term goal is to become a successful engineer. And I am sure that today, in 2028, I will completed my goal.
In which school do you study?
Devasya International School.
You study in Devasya International. In which standard?
9th standard.
You have completed your 9th standard or 8th standard?
8th standard complete, 9th started.
Okay. So tell me something about your goal which you have decided, what you want to become in your life.
According to me, every person should have more than 2 goals. So my first goal is to become a successful civil engineer like my father in my life.
Okay, your father is civil engineer?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Then my second goal is to become a clever student or a ranker of my class, which I will try to complete in 9th and 10th standard.
Okay, nice. So tell me something about your school life. What do you do in school? Like every student mischief in schools, they mischief with sirs, and how you study in your school, how you like your school.
If I want to talk about a school, so nowadays due to COVID-19, a school is closed temporarily.
Yes.
Nobody is knowing when school will reopen. So nowadays online education has been given priority by every tuition class and every schools. So my school is also giving more priority to online learning. So every day.
Do you like to learn online?
I can also say yes, because without going anywhere from home we can learn everything, so that is not a bad thing. But my answer is also no, because if you are studying with a real teacher, or you are studying with a teacher in camera, many difference is coming. So many other feelings. Means if you are sitting in class, you feel very disciplined and very perfect manner, and if you are sitting in home, so anyway, if you have any doubt, so you have to wait or write in comment section, then your doubt is clear. But in school, if we raise hand and teacher says say your doubt, so we send and it is clear on the spot.
Because coin has a two sides. Every coin has a two side, one bad or good. But everything, if you want to learn, you can learn by online also, and you can learn by going to school also. Okay.
Yes.
Then continue your school life.
Okay, in my school life nowadays, so I am studying online, but when I used to go in school in 7th standard, 8th standard, I used to enjoy with my friends. I used to talk with my friends. I used to communicate with our teachers, and with communicating with our teachers, I have improved my English very nicely. And in my school life, I have a practice of writing very fast, because every day so much homework we are getting, so habit that is gone, because nowadays not much pressure is there to complete homework.
Okay.
But that is something I like in the school, and I have enjoyed my school days till now, till 8th standard, very nicely. And with friends I have spent my life very nice time.
Okay.
So this is my school time.
Okay. Do you go to tuition?
Yes.
Where?
Ahuja Career Institute.
Okay, nice. So now tell me something about your family.
In my family there are 5 members: me, my papa, my mummy, and my grandfather and my grandmother.
Okay, so you are not living in joint family.
This is one type of joint family with a grandfather and grandmother.
Okay, nice. So now I want to ask you that about IUC Institute. So how you felt when you came here, and you just recently, he has just completed his course. So how do you feel after completing your course, and now you can speak English very nicely. So how do you feel?
Before joining IUC Institute, I used to fear from English. If I want to stand up and say something on the stage, I fear, because because I was knowing something I will make mistakes such as is, am, are, ing, etc. are some mistakes which
Some grammar mistakes.
yes, that is why I used to fear. But after joining IC, after completing half of the course and 12 tenses, I get some of the boost in confidence, and with that confidence, the result of the school, which is especially English grammar, that was increased very rapidly, because one survey I have done last year in 7th standard, before I have not joined in IC Institute. 50 marks exam I got only 30 marks, and the annual exam, before annual exam, 150 marks exam conducted, and that time I have completed can, could, may, might, etc. things, so I got more than 40 marks. So this much of improvement came, and in 8th standard means only essays were, means how to write essay, that was only remaining. So leaving that essay in the paper, I got full marks in the grammar paper in the
Yes,
school.
because your English is very nice. If you have done English speaking course, that's why your grammar is very fluent. Your
Yes.
speaking skill is very fluent. That's why you got that types of marks.
Yes,
So how do you feel in your whole class? You have that good marks.
I feel confident, because every teacher, if you want to ask doubt, so some teachers have some nature that if you are not studying, means if you are studying, so you get more marks, but if you are not studying, you get less marks. So every teacher tells someone that if you are not studying, so why are you asking me doubt? But after
Yes.
improving English, I can fluently ask my doubts and every communication with the teacher.
And you are the favorite student of teacher also. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Now tell me about describe a time when you were excited. When you were too much excited.
When if I want to talk, so at the today morning I was very excited, because today at evening or afternoon I have to give here an interview.
Yes.
That is why I was very excited, because this is first interview which is I am giving. Second is when I have given a government exam in November, and its result was coming in January, and at the morning Mahendra sir message has came, your result has came, come in the class at evening and take. So I was waiting when evening is coming. That is why I was very excited.
You were excited to
Yes.
knowing your marks,
Marks.
what percentage you have
Yes,
got.
yes.
So tell me your percentage.
95.5%.
Okay, super. Okay, then describe a goal which was set by yourself and you have recently achieved that goal.
If I want to talk about goals, so I have set my goal to get more than 90% in one exam. So this goal I have set for 2 times, and 2 times it is completed also. How I have completed that, I have worked very hard, means very properly I have worked, and by that work I got more than 90% in the exam.
Okay. Then describe a indoor game that you would like to play when you were a child.
There are many games in the world such as cricket, football, hockey, but that all are the outdoor game. But
Yes.
I want to talk here which game I used to play in my childhood life. So in childhood I used to play many games such as cards, snake and ladders, Ludo, X and O means TikTok, and
Yes, now TikTok has been banned.
means that X and O.
Okay.
So but from that games I like to play very much is Ludo and Snake and Ladders, because that both the games are very interesting, because on the dice our game can means increase also, and our game is can decrease also. That is why I like that games very much, because that games are very interesting.
Okay, and because of COVID-19, we are staying a lot at home, so we are playing so much games like a Ludo, like
Carrom.
typical game, Carom, and also that what is called Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Yes, that
Yes.
types of game you like or not?
Yes, I like that type of game, but I like very much Ludo and Snake and Ladders.
Okay, so guys, you have watched that what is the speaking skill he has. He is teenager. So I want to ask him another level question, like extraordinary question. I want to test his ability. He is able to give me answer or not. So let's start. So I want to ask you first that describe an article on health that you have read on magazine or online.
According to me, when this lockdown has started, there are many articles of the link of the articles was coming. So one of that article is I have visited to website and I
Which
have
article?
we how to protect ourselves from COVID-19.
Oh,
So
yes.
that articles is I have read. So that articles may I describe here.
Yes, yes, sure.
So there in that article there are many tips are given. If you are going outside you have to wear mask, and at home you should not drink cold water or not eat ice cream or not eat any cold thing or
Yes.
cold thing.
Yes.
And
You have to drink that homemade things like
Yes.
kadha and these things.
yes, this much
Okay.
of things were described in articles. And one thing also, by drinking lemon juice, our
Yes.
immunity increases and we can protect ourselves from COVID-19. So this is the article which I have read on the online.
Okay, so how did you protect yourself from COVID-19? What did your mom do? And
One-
what did you do that how to protect?
One simple thing is that don't drink cold water, and second thing is as much as possible delay going outside.
Yes.
That is one the way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So these are some
And
precautions.
wear a mask and this type of
Yes, this much of, and wearing the mask is the compulsory for nowadays.
thing. Yes.
So that
we
is
have
compulsory.
to wear it for like a 6 months or 12 months. I don't know that
Yes.
how long this will run.
Yes, one type of style it will become.
Okay, so nowadays people are wearing that types of thing like my dress. I have to wear this type of mask. Huh? This type
Yes.
of fashion has come.
Yes.
Okay, so about from this question, I have one question also, that what is your hobby? What do you like to do?
My hobby is to work hard, and singing are my two hobbies.
Okay, so can you sing for me?
Yes. So which song do you want to listen?
No, whatever song you like, you can sing.
Because on my Star Maker account, Yara
Okay.
Teri Yari
Ah,
Ko-
yes. I remember that sir has told me that you have account on a Star Maker and you have
Yes.
make so many songs on Star Maker. So can you
Yes.
tell me ID?
Mitul Mewada.
Okay. So go ahead, tell me.
So on my Star Maker account there is one song, Yara Teri Yari Ko Maine To Khuda Mana. That song was very nice, and that song get many likes and many followers, many subscribers on the Star Maker. That is why I like that song.
So please sing this song.
Means whole not, but 2-3 lines I
please
remember.
2 lines, 2 or 3 lines.
I remember.
Okay.
यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. This much I remember.
Super.
Thank
Okay,
you.
very nice. You can sing 2 or 3 songs, but now we have to continue our
Yes, interview.
So now next question, that a person who taught you something important.
According to me, English is very important in our life. With English we can go very ahead, or we can do many things. So Mahendra sir taught me very important thing, that is English.
Yes. And this
So-
is the international global language that you have to speak.
Speak. And Mahendra
And
sir
you are
taught
in
me
English
that.
medium?
Yes.
Okay, so you must have to learn these
Learn
types of English.
English very fluently.
Nowadays people students who in English medium, they don't know that how to speak English.
Yes, that is why I have came to Ayush Institute.
Okay, now tell me importance that
Importance of English. According to me, English is a very global language. If you are going outside of the world, outside of India, so you must know English very properly. And if you are settling in other countries such as Australia, USA, so you should do the IELTS course.
not in out of India. In India also there are so
many
many
places.
companies and so many things that you in many companies you have to speak English. If you
Yes.
don't know English, they
They-
don't take you.
Yes.
Okay, now what is the question that describe us something that no, a person who taught you something important. Tell me something that you have learnt important language of English, and who taught you?
Mahendra sir.
Okay, tell me something about him.
Mahendra sir is a very nice teacher, and I like his one line: prepare yourself for tomorrow, work hard 7 years of your life, and
Enjoy
life and enjoy 70
the
years
years of your
of,
life.
of your life. That line I like very much, and uh, I have prepared myself for tomorrow, and I am working hard for tomorrow. And my ninth is year from 10th, that 7 years will start, and I will work hard very nicely, and I will work hard that whole 7 years and enjoy 70 years of my life.
So if you work hard of your 7 years, you can enjoy your luxurious life of 70 years. This is the my Mahindra sir's line. Okay. So another thing that you want to tell?
And Mahendra sir nature is very nicely, because some teachers are giving pressure of education to
Yes.
the students, but Mahendra sir is not one of these. He is a very nice nature, and he has very friendly nature. He is telling jokes, stories, and giving some lessons by that jokes and story. And from that jokes and story, many English grammatical mistakes or many grammatical concepts I am learning from the jokes and stories. That is why I like his nature very nicely.
Okay, describe an experience when you were with a people and you got bored.
When I was young, I didn't like to.
Now, at present, you are young also.
Yes, but I am talking about fifth standard.
Okay, then.
So I used to go with my parents on shopping, but after I went on the shop, I I came to know that this is a ladies
Ladies
shopping,
shopping.
and in ladies shopping,
Ladies shopping is very boring.
boring.
And that was your mom's shopping.
Yes.
Okay.
So very boring shopping. That is why I felt very bored. That is why I am sharing this experience on this question.
Okay. Okay, nice. Then tell me that outdoor game you like.
Outdoor game I like cricket very much, because but I can't play nowadays cricket, because due to this COVID-19 pandemic condition, we are not playing cricket in our society. That is why I can't able to play cricket. But in mobile I can play cricket in a game. So I like cricket, and I am fond of cricket. With singing, I am fond of cricket also.
Okay, nice. You have told me about your mom's shopping. That's why this question has came. That tell me something about your family. I have asked this question, but you have just told me a name. Now tell me, describe your family members.
Yeah. Before describing my family members, I want to show you that my family is very friendly nature with everyone, and in my family there are 5 members, as I have told before few minutes.
Yes.
So I want to talk about myself. I am a student of 9th standard. I am studying Devasya International School. I have recently completed my English speaking course in IUC Institute,
Yes.
and my short term goal was to speak English speaking very nicely,
Nicely.
but that is completed
Yes.
recently, and my long term goal is to become a successful engineer. So this much of introduction I have given before. So now I want to say about
Papa, mom,
Yes.
whatever you want to like any
Yes.
person you can
I
start.
want to say about my papa. So my papa has a very nice nature, and I have a habit to share everything with him. For example, everything that happened today or before 2 days, everything I share at the night with him. So I like him very much. He is my like a friend only. So that is why his nature. He is a civil engineer, and I also want to become a successful civil engineer
like your father.
Yes. So that is why I like his nature. So he has completed my many wishes. For example, I want these things, so he has given me that things. And if I tell him anything, so he never delay that thing on the spot. He start thinking about that thing, how to give enjoyment to Mitul and etc. That is why I like my father. Now I want to give something introduction to my mother. So my mother has very nice nature, and I like mother very much, because she is working very hard for developing me and keeping
On your whole family, whole
Oh.
family.
And as she is a housewife, I am also telling as she is housewife, so I am telling there are many stars in the sky, but there is only one pole star, and that is my parents, father and mother. But I want to talk about my mother. So as she is housewife, he is taking care of our house, all the family members. He makes the food.
She makes the food.
She makes the food, etc. So her nature is very good. That is why I like her very much.
And tell me something about extra, like what she cooks and you like.
According to me, whatever she cook, I like very much, because
Okay.
from my childhood I am eating her food all only. That is why I like the taste of her food is very
Very
nice,
nice.
and she motivate me on the step by step of the life.
And sometimes she always she mischief with her or not.
Means I mischief with her. So for example, if she is sleeping, I eat something or something. When cold drink is there in the fridge, I drink cold drinks. For example, this type of mischief I do.
Okay. Do you have any brother or sister?
No,
You are a single boy.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Then which family member is remaining?
my grandfather and my grandmother is remaining.
Okay, tell me something about them.
First, I want to tell you about my grandfather. When I was small, so every day I had a habit to play with him, and to and he motivates me every day. So, but nowadays I am free. That is why I also talk. But before, some days when schools were there, my English speaking course was running, and tuitions were also there, so I was not getting time to sit with them. But nowadays I am getting time to sit with them. I again play some games such as cards, ludo, snake and ladders again with him, and he motivates me every day.
Okay, then your grandmother.
Grandmother is very nice nature. So grandmother is one type of friend like nature from.
She has a friendly nature.
Yes, she has a friendly nature from childhood. I if I tell her anything, so she complete everything very nicely. So I like her nature very nice, and she also motivate me. So I like, means if I want to talk in short, so every member of my family motivate me by step by step. That is why I like my family very much.
Okay, so you have spent a lot of time in this during lockdown with
Yes.
your family. Okay. Now tell me, do you like to read or not?
Yes, I like to read.
So which types of books you like to read, except your like standard reading?
Except my standard or regular reading books of subjects like science, maths, English. Rather than that, I like Atlas, means a map book. I like very much because
It's a social science book.
yes, but it is not a social science. It is a part of social science. Means it is a
Yes.
maps.
Yes.
And I am fond of geography. If I talk in studies, so I am good in geography also, because I am fond of where the places are located, what is capitals, where is mountains, rivers, etc. So I am fond of that things also. That is why I like Atlas book very much. That is why I will read Atlas very much. And if I talk, so here at my home 3 to 4 Atlas I have wrote, and
Yes.
before 5 years.
Okay.
That is why I like,
Before 5 years.
means in 5 years.
In 5 years. So you are young right now, even though you have a skill, like you have a hobbies to read Atlas like this. If I ask any teenagers like him, what he will answer me, I like to read a comic book. And now see how his hobby is. Okay, now tell me that all the students are watching you, like which advice you want to give to all of students, they are watching you, which advice you want to give them, that how they can learn English.
If I want to talk how I have learned English very fluently, so everyday practice very much, because if you are coming in IOC Institute, Mahindra sir will also say you that practice makes man perfect. So there are 100 to 50 sentences which I was speaking in class, and that sentences I used to write in my notebook and practice again and again at home before coming in IOC Institute. And if I want to talk my record, that many less sentences was wrong, when I was speaking in Ayush Institute in oral round. So make sure that you are practicing at home the notes, the sentences, the
Yes.
tables, that I am, we are, the me, my, myself, that all the tables, sentences, notes, that all the formulas. Make sure you are practicing at
Yes.
home. I would like to suggest you that join the Ayush Institute in the Vassal. This is not a number one institute in the Vassal, but also in the Ahmedabad. Here all the faculties are very nicely and friendly, and here all the faculties clears our doubts and every concept very deeply and very nicely. That is why I am suggesting you to join in Ayush Institute. And one more thing I want to say you that work with Mahendra sir and support the Mahendra sir, because the clapping is not done by one hand.
Yes.
That is why I am telling you that support Mahendra sir, and I am giving you guarantee you will definitely speak English very nicely.
Like me, yes.
You like me.
So guys, he has just told you that how he learned English and how you can learn English by online with our class, and he has just completed his course. He is teenager, even though he is speaking very nicely, and with the time he is improving his speaking skills and personality. He, after few years, he can speak better than me also, I can say, because in this age he is very good result. And thank you so much, Mitul, for coming
Yes.
here. Thank you so much giving for your important time
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
us. Thank you. So thank you so much guys for watching our video. Thank you.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.